What up, everybody? It's your boy Jordan. We back again with These Muscles. Today I'm going to show you on how to do Starfish Crunches. Starfish Crunches work your whole core, such as your rectus abdominis, that's your six-pack muscle, and also your obliques. To do Starfish Crunches, what you do is you put your arms back, you put your legs up in the air. Then what you do, your left hand try to touch your right foot, and your right hand you try to touch your left foot, like this. Now, if you want to do a workout with Starfish Crunches, I recommend doing 5 sets with 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. Now, let me show you how it's done. I'm only going to show you one set. So you have a timer like this, set it for 30 seconds. Press start. Legs in the air, arms back. When you go up, try to do a little twist. Then you rest for 30 seconds. Then you repeat that cycle 4 more times. Now I give you like a 5-minute ab workout. And that's the end of the video. Remember, do the exercise for 5 sets, 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. You can also go back in the video and replay the set I showed you so you can feel like you're doing the workout with me if that fits better for you. If you want to achieve anything in life, you have to work hard and discipline yourself. If you enjoyed the video, please show your support by subscribing and also hitting the bell and select all to get all notifications. Like the video, comment more video ideas below. Share this video with your friends and family. Follow These Muscles on Instagram @TheseMuscles. And These Muscles!